Time heals everything. You just need to give it some time. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. The best thing about the worst time of your life is that you get to see the true colors of everyone. Time is free, but it is priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. The time that has passed never comes back, so live each and every moment of your life with joy. Never lose hope in life because it does not take time to change your time. In the blink of an eye, everything can change. So forgive often and love with all your heart. You may never know when you may not have that chance again. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, because when you give your time, you are giving a portion of your life that you will never get back. Never leave till tomorrow, which you can do today. Be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it. Time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. Time is a rare luxury which can never be purchased at any cost. So when someone spends it for you, it defines the depth of care they have for you. When you face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you. They are sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. Time is what we want most and what we use worst. If you don't make the time to work on creating the life you want, you are eventually going to be forced to spend a lot of time dealing with the life you don't want. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment in your life. Be strong now because things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't rain forever. You can't have a better tomorrow if you are thinking about yesterday all the time. Time slips away like grains of sand, never to return again. Who control the past, control the future. Who control the present, control the past. Keep moving forward. If it is time to go, it is time. Nothing lasts forever. Time does not change people. Time reveals the real face of people. The bad news is time flies. The good news is you are the pilot. Time flies over us but leaves its shadow behind. Sometimes your heart needs more time to accept what your mind already knows. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. Time heals almost everything. Give it a try. There is no right time, there is just time. You just have to make it right for you. If you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made up of. Time changes everything except something within us, which is always surprised by change. There is no need to rush. What is meant for you will always arrive on time.